Guys, so today's video, we've got Jessie. Make a meal with one colour challenge. Behind me I have a notice board with some colours on, and we're each going to throw a dart and we have to make a whole meal with that coloured food.
Meal.
A meal with that coloured food. But the whole meal has to be that colour. The rule is you can't dye anything, and that's it.
Is it first come, first serve, no second chances?
I hope the darts go in the board. I don't know, I haven't tested. This could go really bad.
Clear radius. I'm just kind of say.
I'm not even going to aim. I want brown.
You're going to hit the chair or it's going in the grass.
I really want brown. I do not want purple.
Oh!
You're joking, it landed not on anything. I was so close to brown. Foot back a bit. You've got better aim, so I feel like you should stand further back.
Get out.
Okay,
brown's the best one then.
I think, but do you get something else?
I feel like it's going to go yellow.
I think you're going to get purple. I just have a feeling.
Oh, boy.
You didn't get it either. Once one person's gotten one colour, that colour gets ruled out. Come on, Grace. You've got this.
I think the challenge is actually just going to be who can get colour. I'm going. Oh,
orange!
It's my favourite colour, but...
How funny that you got your favourite... I said orange! No, it's a purple. Just you wait. You can't have another go, buddy.
Oh, come on.
You're not allowed.
That's
I said it's your first shot.
The blue.
Oh!
Yellow.
That's quite hard. So I've got... Oh, but our colours are kind of similar. Should we get one more shot each and we can pick out of the colours?
Your YouTube channel.
One more shot each.
Can we pick between the two?
And you can only pick between... So you've got orange currently.
And brown.
No, you're not allowed brown. No, don't get brown.
Oi.
This is like the final shot. If you don't get it, then you don't get to pick anything. I've got one more. I've got two more.
Professional. Purple.
Oh no!
I like how you threw that one. I'm going to do that.
So I've got purple and yellow.
I'm just going to launch it.
I'm gonna have to go. But how do we both get purple?
I can't think of any food that's purple. Red
Aubergine?
cabbage.
So we're about to go to Sainsbury's to pick our goods. Shouldn't have given us a choice. I go for purple to make it harder.
Yeah.
I think I would get more points as well if I did purple. I'll go for yellow.
Oh, don't. Because I'm doing
Is
orange.
it a bit boring?
It's not orange. Yeah, but...
I feel like yellow's a bit boring.
And I'm doing orange and they're quite similar.
Yeah, okay, I'll go for purple. Okay, we're at Sainsbury's now. Gonna go pick some food. Jessie's been strategically planning and looking on the Googly.
The Googles.
I've been not.
You did actually give me quite a big shout out.
Yeah. Now I don't even know if this is purple, but I'm taking one. 100. Okay, it's got a little purple label, so... You're gonna go for a butternut squash?
I don't like butternut squash that much.
You don't get it then, and it's cakes. Do I go for graffiti aubergine?
Do it.
That's cool. Let's see that one. No purple herbs. Brilliant. I can't even use garlic. Garlic's like a saviour for herb. It's not looking hopeful. Yeah, he's sunburned, stupid boy. It's not looking hopeful for radishes. Are they pink or purple? So what do you do with it? Let's chuck it in, chuck it in. Look at how much orange. You're so lucky.
Is that cheating?
I think it might be. There's literally nothing purple. Unfortunately, there is no red cabbage, so please be not red, purple. Well, I think it's called red when they're purple. Would you say that's purple?
You want to tell yourself that?
See, there are these, but I feel like that's cheating, so do I just try and make my own?
I'll give you that. Purple's quite a hard one.
Just went to Sainsbury's, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm very disappointed. I thought they would have purple sprouting broccoli. Didn't. Thought they would have, you know how they have purple potatoes?
Not
didn't.
Really,
thought they'd have purple carrots. Didn't.
not really normal things though, are they?
Yeah, but somewhere's gonna have them.
It's quite a different type of food.
But Jesse's literally bought the whole supermarket, so I have no idea what he's creating. You literally just bought vegetables.
I don't really know what I'm getting anyway. I just bought things that are orange.
Hello everyone, so we just got back from our ventures into Sainsbury's. You have to kind of explain the concept we're going for.
It was buy anything orange, pretty much.
What's the meal you're making?
Take. The meal is rice and veg, and then for dessert, fruit salad.
Wait, you're just literally doing steamed veg and rice?
Yeah.
Flavour?
Well, I can't really add anything. Don't really know what to do, to be fair.
You could have made a curry. Okay, well I'm going for couscous style. Now I know you're thinking, okay, this is right, but I'm adding this beetroot ketchup, so it will be purple in the presentation. So this is my one thing that I'm like, don't know if it will count. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do like one of those fancy ones where they've got like a swish of hummus. So I'm going to make a beetroot hummus, and then I'm going to do roasted aubergine, onion, and with like olives, so it's like a
So you've gone all out then?
Yeah,
Wow.
and I've got the harder one. So initially I wanted to do like a beetroot falafel wrap, but they didn't have any of the purple wraps.
Sad times.
So let's get going. And how much? Should we give ourselves a time limit?
No,
half an hour.
I'm a timer.
Half an hour. You can do that in half an hour. You just have to cook some rice.
I like to take my time, you know that.
Yeah, but come on, half an hour on the clock.
I'm not doing it in half an hour. I can see how far.
Jesse, you're joking. You're going to be done so quickly.
Cook.
30 minutes. Go.
You're upsetting the balance here.
If you don't do it in time. Are you joking me?
What?
I should have got a proper aubergine.
Oh.
I didn't know it would be white. Cut it. Do you feel like you're a master chef a little bit?
I do. I feel like the pressure's already on.
Why?
I don't know. I'm already like.
Jesse normally is the slowest
It's
person.
the quickest I've ever moved. I actually feel like I'm a master chef now.
Where does the line get drawn with herbs?
That's what I mean with flavour. That's what I'm saying. I can't.
I would personally be like, that's fine, because the food, if it looks purple in the presentation.
Pressure's good, isn't it?
Pincers are in your head. We're going to have to put olive oil on, otherwise it will stick.
Well, there's like salt and pepper and stuff I can allow.
Herbs though, am I allowed to use like a balsamic?
You're the YouTuber, Grace. I don't know what this challenge involves.
What do I do with it?
I think as long as a dish looks orange at the end and the dish looks purple, then you can't really go too wrong, surely?
Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna herb it. I actually want it to be a genuinely proper meal.
Oh, I'm stressing out already.
Why are you stressing?
Time. I don't like to be rushed. I like to take my time to buy.
Right, I'm putting my onion and aubergine in the oven.
My rice is going on.
And we have to make
Some spices for the rice.
You're a beauty YouTuber now. I bought plums, but I don't really know the purpose. Really upset that there was no potato. I was gonna do like roasted purple potato. I really had planned it, and then Sainsbury's let me down. This beetroot ketchup.
So I keep breaking the shot.
Do you reckon it's gonna be nice?
No.
Smoked beetroot ketchup.
I don't. And also an unfair disadvantage because you do this for a living.
I don't cook, I bake.
It's the same principle.
It's not at all, Jess.
Because my job is like
I feel like this has
nothing
been
to do with
open.
this.
Wow.
Garam masala, that will do. Right, what am I forgetting? What am I forgetting?
Where's the sieve? Jess, where's the
How long
sieve?
time?
Jess, where's the sieve? Jess, where's the sieve?
Oh, I've already done it wrong.
Where's the sieve? Oh, there's the sieve. I'm doing beetroot with a white jumper on. That is the riskiest thing I've ever done in my
Although to be
life.
fair, you haven't dropped anything in a while. I feel like you always used to drop the mayonnaise, you used to drop the cups, you used
That's
to drop...
true.
I'm not going to finish this in time.
Yes, you will.
I won't.
You will.
I've got my fruits in as well.
It's just so weird cooking side by side.
I know.
It's kind of fun.
It does feel like a competition. I know
But it
it is, but it's not like...
Right, I'm gonna go and blend this, so I'll be back. Let's see. We have my beetroot hummus. Kind of looks pink
I'm
though.
impressed. I have no idea how you cut an orange.
Oh, you're doing it on the brown board. They've just cut chorizo.
And garlic. It's going to be a nice garlic flavour there.
Use the vegetable one, you rank. So excited about these olives. It's so much fun. I'm literally living my best life. This is what my dreams are made of.
Pushing the boat out.
Don't infect it with that knife. You can literally... Has that knife really had chorizo and garlic on?
I have no idea how you do a mango.
Next clip is possibly my favourite clip I have ever edited. It's Jesse trying to open a mango. He doesn't eat mango and he has no idea to open it, so don't hate him in the comments. This is so funny.
It's like an avocado, right?
I'm not telling you, that will be cheap. I've already given you enough clues today.
Oh, I haven't tried it. It's going to be bad.
What can I do with these kidney beans that can jazz it up a bit?
It's not opening. I swear.
You're really stressing me out.
Why won't it open? What have I done wrong? Is it the wrong way?
That's not how you do it!
It's like an avocado. You just literally like, oh, I'm going to butcher this now. Oh, it was the wrong way. It was like that, was it?
You're lying!
Mate, why want this twist?
Stop!
Oh boy. Am I supposed to skin it first? I've got no clue. I don't like mango.
Have you seen that video on YouTube where people different people have to cut things? And
Yeah, this is that.
So, this is you. I didn't realise that people were that.
The net. That'll do. That will do.
What part are you gonna... Sorry, I actually made me cackle. Oh gosh.
My hands are so sticky. Oh boy, now it's time for the grapefruit. You go a bit fancy this one. Oh, you stole the sieve.
No, the siev's there. If you'd have listened to me earlier, Jessie, you would have known where the sieve is.
Oh, that mango really annoyed me. The strange thing is, you just eat fruit, you don't really think about cutting it, you know what I mean?
No, because every time you eat fruit you have to open it.
Yeah, but you just bite through it, like the kiwi, you just eat it all, but to cut it...
No, some people don't eat it all.
Or apple.
Here you go, are you ready?
Not quite the smear.
Kind of. Kind of.
A bit clumpy at there.
But you want to get enough hummus.
Oh,
I just completely ruined it. 8 minutes to go, team. Olives. The olives are going to be my saviour here. Mine looks worse because it looks like I've actually tried.
I wish I just threw it at brown. I would have just done literally chips and chicken.
I wish I just stuck with yellow.
Chicken's
not brown. I'm going to turn the camera off, tidy up.
No, you can't turn it off.
Right.
Because then they won't believe you.
Believe what?
As soon as YouTubers switch your camera off, I'm like, you just faked it.
Faked what though?
I don't know, like the timing of it, or you edited something.
But we need to tidy all this up. They don't want to see us tidy up. Let's tidy up. Jess, that looks cute. You've seen, as Jessie thinks I'm being fake for turning the camera off, our 2 meals. The timer is on 4:18 and counting. So we've done it in the time. Now we're just going to tidy up and then we're going to eat. I'm not going to lie, we haven't properly tidied up all the messes around the kitchen.
Kind of chaos.
So that is fake of us. So here we are. Do the MasterChef voice. Featured couscous and kidney beans.
Looks like a rabbit.
On a big tough like it. And again, the rule is you're never supposed to do things in even numbers. Odd numbers is the way forward. So I don't know why I cocked that up. See, the plums look better, don't they? Because there's 3.
One to remember.
Yeah.
Can I just say as well, if I am trying this, the things I hate are in that dish.
Beetroot and olives.
Yeah.
With chicory ears, olives, roasted onion, and plums on the side.
Mine is a
Do the voice.
fruit salad.
No, you have that as
rice and
pudding, or
veg.
you have that as starter?
Oh, no, that's pudding.
Okay.
So I've actually got 2 dishes. I've outdone Grace. My nice rice dish with, what's in it? Peppers, carrots, chorizo, butternut squash, sweet potato. So I've really outdone myself.
There's no sweet potato.
There is.
I thought it was butternut squash.
And sweet potato. So I've got like 5 of your fruit and veg. And then apricot, melon, orange, mango, and grape juice.
Grape juice, really?
Grape juice.
Grapefruit juice.
Oh yeah. Grapefruit juice. Cholula's hot sauce because it's orange.
Are you going to put that on?
On my one, but not on yours.
But let's get that big bit of butternut squash.
I mean, I would never make this.
Okay, here goes. You have to eat it too.
I will, but I want to see your first.
That's quite good.
Yeah? I'm going for more for the chorizo.
It's really sweet. I like it. But to be fair, that's something that Mum would make. Turmeric rice and veg. It's not like very inventive.
Alright, cheese.
I wouldn't be like, whoa, best thing ever. But
Scores on the doors? Or at the end?
at the end.
I'm really hoping the grapefruit juice gives it a nice zing.
I'm really hoping that this fruit salad doesn't taste of onion and garlic. Get one of everything on here then.
The orange looks yellow as well.
Okay, I've got the biggest mouth ever.
Fruit kebab. Kebab. What was that noise?
It was nice.
There we go.
But then, something hit me. I think it was the apricot and it was like, whoa, this isn't citrus.
Off. No, I just chucked it in because it was orange again.
We've had Jessie, that was quite nice.
I'm not going to have the olives.
Yeah.
Because I just can't actually gag.
Get a bit of hummus.
I'm not looking forward
Hang
to
on, wait, we have cheers.
Cheers. I'll have to get through it.
I hate it.
Doesn't taste terrible.
I need to try the hummus to see if the hummus is actually...
I don't really know what flavour is in there.
I like the olives.
Okay, I actually think it's quite close.
Do you?
I thought you were
Because
gonna...
I was inventive.
I thought you were going to absolutely smash me.
Oh no, just... No. I should have gone for yellow.
Yours looked fancy. I'm actually quite happy with my rice dish.
Okay, we have to hold our fingers, go back to back, hold our fingers for what we give the other person.
What I'm giving you?
Yeah, and you can be bruising.
What's being taken into account?
Okay, creativity.
Colour's the main thing,
purple.
surely. Colour's the main thing.
Creativity.
Colour's the
sticking
main
to the
thing.
colour.
That's the main thing, though.
Creativity, colour, taste, and edibility.
You're making it worse and worse for yourself. You should have just stopped at
Colour.
Colour.
Okay,
a 2.
To be fair, Jess, you can give me a 2.
I know it is. No, I've got it.
A 6? You could never eat that whole thing.
I'd give it. Is that a good score then?
Yeah.
You're happy with a 6? Oh, that's
6?
Alright.
I'm giving you an 8.
I feel like purple's a hard colour. The creativity was there. It's definitely not my choice of foods. Like olives, I just cannot eat. Invented with the hummus. You got the plums. A little bit of slate. I could eat it, this part. I wouldn't eat that for a meal, no way. I'll take that. So I won.
I think you could have been more inventive. That was really what let you down.
Yeah, but you know,
This just looks like a Friday night family meal.
I'm not a creative guy like.
I thought you were gonna go real wild. You know how you sometimes go like, and I'm like, okay.
I was, but I
simmer down.
couldn't add any like herbs to it, or because it's just orange.
So guys, let us know if you enjoyed that down below. Who do you think you won? Who
You
do
do a
think
vote.
won?
Do a
You
poll.
can't do a poll on comments, I don't think. Let us know if you want to see more videos, siblings together.
I'd quite happily eat some more food. So
Come
I'm
this way.
all for some trips in London.
Any challenges, anything. I really want to like style Jessie. That would be fun. We need to tidy up now because there's a lot.
I do feel like you should pan out and just show.
I'm going to show you. I'll film it with my phone.
The chaos. Wow, I didn't think I would have won that. I'm not going to lie.
Jessie, that is rank. I don't like beetroot.
I'll go on. I actually want to know what they think.
Doesn't it I feel a bit sick from that concoction?
Yours was a little bit odd on the stomach, I won't lie.
Yeah, not nice.